Modern science has just proven that the Bible contains a strict, step-by-step biological protocol for curing severe anxiety. But the most shocking part isn't what you are supposed to pray about. It's a hidden physiological command in 1 Corinthians chapter 6 that directly alters your brain chemistry. Almost no one realizes that this single ancient rule physically shuts off your body's panic center. By the end of this video, you will walk away with the exact 4-step scriptural method to permanently rewire your nervous system, flush out toxic cortisol, and pull your mind out of the fight or flight loop forever. Proverbs chapter 12, verse 25 warns us, "Anxiety in the heart of man causes depression." For centuries, we thought this was just a state of mind, but modern doctors now call this the cortisol loop. Your anxiety is not a weakness of faith. It is a physical, biological state of severe cellular inflammation. This is exactly why 1 Corinthians 6:19 commands us to treat our bodies as the temple of the Holy Spirit. That wasn't just beautiful poetry. It was a strict biological quarantine protocol. The Creator knew that to protect the mind, you first have to protect the physical borders of the body. The Scriptures gave us the exact escape route to heal our minds. But first, you need to know exactly how modern toxic chemicals are literally hijacking your nervous system right now. The first step in this biblical protocol is to look after your physical health by protecting your temple from harmful substances, and this is the part most people have never heard. When we feel anxious, we assume the problem is located inside our brain. It isn't. Modern gastroenterology just proved that 95% of your serotonin, the critical hormone responsible for feelings of deep peace, happiness, and emotional stability, is actually produced in your gut. When you defile your temple by consuming ultra-processed frankenfoods, synthetic seed oils, and chemical dyes, you are actively exterminating the microscopic bacteria that manufacture your peace. You are biologically turning off the happiness switch. The biblical command to avoid impure substances and eat whole, natural foods is actually the most advanced antidepressant strategy ever created. You cannot have a calm mind with an inflamed, toxic body. If you want to learn more about how to protect your temple and rebuild your body's natural defense systems using biblical wisdom, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now, and let's uncover the next biological secret. The second crucial step to healing is to talk to someone you trust and seek wise counsel. But what doctors found next changed everything. The Bible consistently urges us to seek counsel and share our burdens with our brothers and sisters, just as Proverbs 15:22 states. Why not just pray alone, in silence? Modern MRI brain scans have finally decoded this biological hack. When you are in a state of severe anxiety, an alarm center in your brain called the amygdala catches fire. But the exact moment you vocalize that pain and share it with a trusted friend, the amygdala immediately shrinks and deactivates. Sharing isn't just gentle psychological therapy, it is an instant fever reducer for your central nervous system. The third step in God's design for mental peace is to take 2 minutes to focus on nature. Scientists spent 2,000 years to rediscover what the Bible already knew. When King David wrote in Psalm 19 that the heavens declare the glory of God, it wasn't just about admiring the view. The modern world traps us under toxic artificial lighting, destroying our natural rhythms and pushing our stress hormones into overdrive. Stepping outside into nature isn't just for a walk. When natural sunlight hits your retina, it instantly sends a signal to your brain to shut down cortisol production and reboot your entire circadian rhythm. Nature is quite literally the Creator's perfect physiological reset button to pull your nervous system out of fight or flight. The final step in this healing journey is to do activities you enjoy and find satisfaction in your toil. And here is where it gets really surprising. Ecclesiastes 3:12 says that finding joy in your work and the good things in life is a gift from God. In today's world, our brains are bombarded by junk dopamine from social media, junk food, and shallow entertainment, which burns out our pleasure receptors and leaves us feeling empty and exhausted. Rediscovering your passions and engaging in meaningful hobbies isn't just a lifestyle tip. It is how you release slow dopamine, completely rebuilding a resilient, happy brain. Self-care is never selfish. Physiologically, it is an act of absolute obedience to the perfect design God placed inside your body. Start protecting your temple today, from the foods you eat to the light you absorb and the words you speak. If this video brought you peace and useful truth, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs healing. See you in the next video.